Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1-hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I still think that we are going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is going to be a 1-2, and I still think we're eventually going to keep on going up for a wave 3, 4, and 5. I think this is a big expanding flat on the monthly time frame, and I think it will end up going up and taking out these previous highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think it looks like a wave 1, looks like an expanding flat wave 2, higher high wave B, lower low wave C, definitely looks like an expanding flat. If that's true, that makes this right here a 1, that makes this right here most likely a wave 2, like a subdivision of wave 3, so a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and eventually go up and make that wave 3 of 3, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this 5 waves up is a wave 1. I still think this looks like a trend. 3 waves up, wave B. I believe this is also a trend. Now we are at the 78% Fibonacci retracement, but I don't really think it's over yet. I think it needs to make a wave 4 and a wave 5, and then it needs to break structure. So I still think it's going to be quite a while before this potentially does end the wave 2, if it even does end the wave 2. And guess what? I'm looking for sorts and sort of time frames, so if it doesn't end the wave 2 and just keeps on going down, definitely not a problem for me. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we are definitely going up. We are making some higher lows. We do not have a break of structure yet, but I still think it is likely that it will break structure. I think it's likely that we are going to make some sort of an ABC correction, which is most likely going to be a wave 4, and I think it will likely go down and make a wave 5. Then if it turns back up and breaks the wave 4 high, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer. If it doesn't go up and break the wave 4 high, but instead keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, and it just keeps on trending down on the longer time frame, so I'm just going to continue to look for sorts, so it definitely is not going to affect my trading account in any negative way. Heading down to the 1-hour time frame, like I said, it does seem pretty likely to me that it will go up. I'm personally not buying. Like I just said on the 4-hour time frame, the only thing that's going to turn me into a buyer is seeing that 3, 4, 5 shape on the 4-hour and a break of structure. But if you do trade the shorter time frames, you probably could get some pretty decent little longs out of this. I think it's pretty likely that it will go up at least to the 38%, probably make a wave 4, and then go back down and make a wave 5. So there's probably definitely going to be some long opportunities for short time frame traders, but I still think that the bigger, better money is going to be waiting patiently for the shorts at the end of correction, so the continuation of the downtrend, which may be a wave 5, like the final wave of a wave C, or it could just be a subdivision of a much larger downtrend. Either way, I will continue to look for shorts until I see proof that the trend is over on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Thank you and happy trading.